It's been an absolute incredible 2 days here in Melbourne, and I've met quite a few suppliers. We had a sourcing expo here in Melbourne. It's here for 3 days. If you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for interesting products, textile-based products, or products that are simply not the usual products, then sometimes coming to expos here, especially if you're based in Australia, jumping on a quick train or flight, coming down to Melbourne can sometimes make a difference in finding a good supplier. So it's been incredible down here. We've actually hung out with quite a few of our students. We did a bit of a catch-up, a networking night down here. It was fantastic catching up with our students. And if you're looking to get something started and you're based in Australia or New Zealand, we do catch-ups, networks, sort of networking events, sort of social sort of stuff in Sydney, on the Gold Coast, in Melbourne, in Auckland. We're doing one in Auckland next month, in Auckland, New Zealand. And if you are based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, then reach out to us. Give us a call in the office. We'd love to have a chat with you, maybe find out a little bit more about what you need help with. I mean, most people, when they get started on Amazon, their biggest challenge is finding product ideas. That's usually the biggest challenge. What do I sell? How do I come up with, what is trending? What are people typing in? What are people buying right now? And that is probably the most important thing, especially if you're sort of getting started with Amazon. Selling something that people are currently buying is definitely something you want to be doing. And I think people get stuck at this level, and they really shouldn't. It's actually quite easy. You just got to, the short answer of it is find out what people are selling and basically how much money they're making, and just replicate it. So you don't really need to be inventive. You don't need to be smart to sell on Amazon. You don't need to try and invent a product idea that doesn't exist. You don't need to do any of that. It's just a matter of figuring out what are people currently buying on Amazon right now, and how do you sell that product to them. And that's it. And you might want to do a different color, a different style, maybe a different variation. Maybe you want to do a different, something that hasn't been done, bundle something with it, bundle a free product with it. There's really so much you can really be doing and offering your customers and building your Amazon business. So if you are looking to get something started, give us a call in the office today. The number's on the screen. Our Sydney office, 02 8003 7534. Our New Zealand number is also on the screen as well. We'd love to have a chat. We'd love to find out a little bit more about maybe what you're looking to sell, what you're looking to buy, what you're looking essentially to build. Some people want to build an Amazon business for various reasons. They want to quit their job. Maybe they just want a side income. Maybe they just want to sort of just get something started online. Well, whatever your reason is, reach out to us today. I would personally love to have a chat with you and find out how I can help you. All right, give us a call in the office. Numbers on the screen, 02 8003 7534. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you all soon. Bye for now.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time. And if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things. And usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable. I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.